Step 7. Coupler assembly. Place the long coupler channel with the opening facing up. Take the safety chain by the 2 hooks and find the center link. Put the hex bolt through the 3rd hole of the coupler channel, threading it through the center chain link and hand tighten with the lock nut. Insert the tongue support foot into the coupler channel as far as it will go. Secure the coupler on the channel with hex bolts and lock nuts. Tighten the coupler using a 9/16 socket and wrench. Make sure it's tight enough that the tongue foot doesn't move, but the coupler spring releases. Pull the excess wire through the connection bracket, leaving enough wire at the front to connect the white wire to the coupler. Slide the assembled coupler channel into the tongue connection, being careful not to pinch the wiring. Line up the holes of the tongue connection bracket and secure with hex bolts and lock nuts using 3/4 socket and wrench. Remove the lock nut from the chain bolt. Place the ring terminal of the ground on the bolt. Secure with lock nut using a 9/16 socket and wrench. Do not over-tighten, as you may damage the ring terminal.